In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect a mic to the JBL PartyBox 100. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Much like other JBL PartyBox models, the PartyBox 100 supports a microphone input, meaning that connecting a microphone is extremely simple and convenient. All that you have to do is plug it into the PartyBox 100. So to connect a microphone, you will need a wired microphone with a 6.35mm jack, or alternatively, you will need to use an adapter to make the microphone compatible. So to connect it, just locate the microphone input. On the back panel of your PartyBox 100, you will find the 6.35mm microphone input jack. And like I mentioned earlier, all that you have to do is plug the 6.35mm plug of your microphone into the microphone input jack on the PartyBox 100 itself. By doing this, either directly or through the help of an adapter, you will be able to use the microphone. So using the microphone volume knob on the PartyBox 100, you will be able to adjust the input level and control the volume, and after this is done, it is going to be completely usable on the PartyBox 100. To my knowledge, the JBL PartyBox 100 does not support wireless microphones directly, so you will need to use a wired microphone. You can try exploring alternative options for wireless microphones such as Bluetooth or some sort of adapter or dongle, but for this video, I'm just going to keep it simple and present the wired connection option that you have. After this is done, you will be good to go. The acoustics of the room and the quality of the microphone can produce better sound quality. So if you want the most professional layout possible, make sure to adjust the room layout and also get a higher quality microphone. But any microphone model that is compatible with a wired connection is going to work flawlessly, and you will be able to use it on your JBL PartyBox 100. This is also going to work for any other speaker model that has the dedicated microphone input. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect mic to JBL PartyBox 100. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.